What is up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna make this a quick video, but I'm finna tell you the reasons why you need an Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 7 stainless steel edition, and I'm finna show you what it can do. The first major convenience to an Apple Watch in today's day and time is being able to unlock your iPhone with the watch. Meaning, since we all are wearing masks nowadays, you don't have to worry about your Face ID rejecting you and causing you to enter in a code. I'm gonna put this on now. Now, while the mask is on my face, I'm gonna lift up my phone for unlocking. And as you can see, right then and there, the Apple Watch unlocked my phone for me. In today's day and age, that feature's super clutch. Next, notifications. The fact that I can get all of my notifications from my smartphone without having to pull out my phone is absolutely clutch. If I scroll down, you guys get to see I have my activity notifications, and then I got a group text from my bro Terry Warfield and C-Kid Tech. Convenience at your wrist is everything. I can reply to notifications, I can interact with notifications, like certain tweets, whatever, all from my wrist. As you can see, I just got that group chat message. It instantly popped up. I'm in the loop. Another reason why you need an Apple Watch is this: Apple Pay. The fact that I could double click the side button and instantly have access to all of my credit cards, debit cards, or Apple Cash, and make a payment at a pay terminal, in and out, quick, fast, keep my phone in my pocket. The Apple Watch offers that convenience. The next thing that you can do, I showed you earlier, you can unlock your phone, but if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you have an Apple computer, you're able to unlock that Apple computer with your Apple Watch. I'm gonna show you guys that. All right, guys, let's go over. This is my M1 Max MacBook Pro, and you guys are gonna see exactly what's gonna happen. It just unlocked, and it was all because of my Apple Watch being on my wrist. Okay, that convenience right there is clutch. I don't know, if you own Apple computers, I love that feature. The fact that I just come home, awake my computer, and I'm in there. Another super clutch feature and convenience of the Apple Watch is the fact that you can take photos from it. Yes, so if you need to hit that personal selfie and no one's around to help you click it, you go right here to the camera remote. You guys are gonna see that this is gonna project up the image. You tap that, it flashes, 3-second countdown. Booyah, photo taken. You can handle selfies from your wrist. That's super convenient. Another thing that's beautiful about the Apple Watch, and the reason for you to get one, is it motivates you in health and fitness. As you guys can see in my notifications, they're pushing me to make it happen. They're pushing me to close my activity rings, to hit my walk goals and stand goals for the day. And that's just super duper clutch. Now, granted, I haven't done much today. I'm not gonna lie. So do not judge me. But being able to watch your heart rate and monitor things like that, this is a plus and convenience, and just a nice piece of technology to include in your everyday life. And another category in that whole fitness and health category is it saves lives. It's just like the patented term of people who have had irregular heartbeats, have had their Apple Watch go off and alert them, head to the doctor, get it checked out, and actually result in the Apple Watch alerted them to some preliminary health issues so that they were able to save their life. Like, I mean, I know it's crazy. Apple uses that a lot every time they market the Apple Watch, but it's actually pretty unique and dope. There's also fall detection and SOS features. So if you ever were to have a bad fall, it will contact your SOS contact, and now your emergency contacts are alerted that you're in need of help and are able to locate you and so forth, things like that. Okay, another reason why you need an Apple Watch is just the sheer convenience. The fact that I can turn my wrist, I see the weather, I can see my phone battery, I get access to music. It just all around encompass the ecosystem, interaction. It just makes life a little bit easier and smoother to run, in my opinion, as someone who uses tech in their everyday. Having so much access to so many different things at the turn of a wrist means a lot to me, and I'm sure it could mean a lot to you. Another reason to get an Apple Watch is it extends and builds your ecosystem. As you guys can see, I have an iPad, an iPhone. I spoke about and showed you my Apple TV and how I'm able to control it. Wait, no, I didn't show you that. Let me show you that. The fact that I can go in here, if you have an Apple TV, you lost your remote, or you can't find it, or you don't feel like getting up and looking for it, which I don't promote, you can have access to your Apple TV remote at your wrist. Now, I'm getting these notifications. My players gotta chill. But look at that. I can control my TV from my wrist, as well as you can do it with your phone. That's what I'm saying. The ecosystem all works and communicates together, and that's a super clutch feature to have, period. Now, my last and final reason, I'm finna wrap it up. I'm just gonna tell you, if you get an Apple Watch, there's a lot of great options to customize, a lot of great bands, a lot of great builds, finishes. There's so many options, it's easy for you to find an Apple Watch for you. Basically, with all of those reasons as to why you should have an Apple Watch, why not?